Gradients are a great way to add depth and interest to your Canva designs, whether you're creating a subtle background, adding an overlay to make text pop, or building a signature branded style. Canva offers a variety of pre-made gradient options, but you're also able to create your own custom gradients for much more control. To create a custom gradient in Canva, you start by applying it to an element. Let's look at how this works specifically with shapes. Start by adding a shape to your design, and you can find shapes under the Elements tab or use keyboard shortcuts. For example, you could press R on your keyboard to add a rectangle or C to add a circle. Once the shape is selected, click the color option in the floating toolbar, and then you're going to want to click the plus sign under Document Colors. In the Color panel, switch from the Solid tab to the Gradient tab, and you'll notice that Canva will automatically apply a 2-color gradient to the shape. From there, you can click on each gradient stop to select your own colors, and you can add additional colors to create a multicolor gradient. You can also adjust the style of the gradient by choosing from several linear and circular gradient options. At this time, you can't create your own gradient style, but you do have control over the colors and their order. You can also apply a gradient directly to the page background by clicking on the page itself and using the same color and gradient options. Now, if instead of filling the entire shape, you want the gradient to appear just on the border of a shape, you can do that as well. With your shape selected, turn on the border style option in the floating toolbar and increase the border width to your desired thickness. Then click the border color option. Click the plus sign under Document Colors, switch to the Gradient tab, and choose your colors and preset gradient style the same way. This gives you a gradient outline instead of a filled gradient shape, which can create a lighter, more subtle effect depending on the design you're working on. The same border technique also works on photos and videos. Select the photo or video in your design, and then in the floating toolbar, turn on the border style option and increase the border width. Click the border color option, click the plus sign under Document Colors, and switch to the Gradient tab. And from there, choose your colors and select one of Canva's preset gradient styles. Gradients can also be applied directly to text in Canva, and the process is going to look incredibly familiar to you now based on what we've already covered. To apply a gradient to text, select your text box and click the color option in the floating toolbar. Click the plus sign under Document Colors, switch to the Gradient tab, choose your colors, and select a gradient style. Gradient text works especially well for headings or short emphasis text, but for longer body text, readability should always come first. Up to this point, we've been working with color to color gradients, but sometimes what you really want is for a color to fade out completely. That's where a color to transparent gradient comes in. Start by selecting the element you want to apply the gradient to, for example, a rectangle, and then click the color option in the floating toolbar. Then you're going to click the plus sign under Document Colors and switch to the Gradient tab. You'll want to choose your desired color for one gradient stop, and then for the second stop, open the color picker and reduce the opacity slider all the way down to 0. This creates the transparent end of the gradient. Once your colors are set, click through Canva's preset linear and circular gradient styles to choose the direction or shape of the fade that works best for your layout. The fade effect comes from the combination of color and transparency. You're still choosing from Canva's existing gradient styles, but you're simply adjusting one end to be fully transparent. Once you've created a gradient on one element, you can use the Copy Style tool to apply that same gradient to another element. Select the element with the gradient applied, click Copy Style in the toolbar, and then click on another compatible element to apply it. There are a few limitations to keep in mind. Custom gradients can only be applied to certain element types, such as shapes, text, frames, grids, borders, and your page background. At this time, they can't be applied directly to most graphics from the Elements library, including icons and illustrations, even if those graphics allow you to change their solid color. It's also important to note that when you copy a gradient from one element to another, it applies to the same property. For example, if you copy a filled shape with a gradient and apply it to another shape, it will apply to the fill, not to the border. You can't copy a shape's fill gradient and apply it directly to just the border of another element. Now that you know how to create and apply custom gradients, let's look at how to save them so you don't have to rebuild them every time. Custom gradients created in a Canva design aren't automatically saved for reuse. If you want to use the same gradient consistently across multiple designs, you'll need to save it in your brand kit, which is a Canva Pro feature. To save a gradient, go to the brand kit, then scroll to the brand colors section and click to add a new color. Instead of choosing the solid option, switch to the Gradient tab. When you add your gradient, you'll choose the gradient colors, the order those colors appear, and a preset gradient style. And if you're recreating a gradient from an existing design, it helps to note the exact hex codes, the color order, and which gradient style you originally created that you want to replicate. Once saved, the gradient will appear alongside your other brand colors whenever you're working on a design, making it much easier to stay consistent without rebuilding gradients each time. If you haven't yet upgraded to Canva Pro, I encourage you to give it a try. Learn more about how to get a free 30-day trial of Canva Pro at brendacadman.com/pro.